Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI P50 Pocket, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock on this smartphone. First of all, go into Settings and choose Biometrics and Password. Then click on Face Recognition and enter your current login method. After that, you need to read the disclaimer, choose Get Started, and remember to keep your face in frame. Over here you can adjust all of those Face Unlock settings however you wish to, and when you're ready, choose Home button. Now when I turn off my screen and then turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly, so all I need to do is swipe up to open my HUAWEI. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!